To win listings, referrals, and 5-star reviews, you need to go above and beyond. That's why you help your clients with repairs, updates, and staging. But what a hassle! Even if you have your own network of go-to contractors, think of all the hours you spend scheduling and rescheduling them, sourcing materials, fixtures, and appliances, and managing the projects. Why not do what thousands of other agents do instead? Make one call to Curbio. Our only business is preparing homes for buyers and sellers, and 100% of our clients are referred by their agents. Curbio manages every project so that you don't have to. We maintain a curated catalog of ready-to-ship fixtures in various grades. We specialize in services that typical contractors don't offer, including the little things that add curb appeal. And even though you'll never have to manage Curbio projects, you can monitor them from anywhere using our mobile app. To learn more about Curbio or to request a free guaranteed price proposal on your current listing, visit Curbio.com.